Hello everybody, I'm Lance Linscott, Wingamm, Utah franchise dealer. Welcome to the US version of the Wingamm OAC 540.1.
What are people saying, or what's the biggest aha moment?
Well, it's really the unique look to it, right? When you see it, it's like nothing you've seen here in the United States. Every other compact motorhome in this size range looks like a cargo van.
And what is the MSRP on this currently?
So the MSRP is $188,500. Is the starting MSRP. Of course, options goes up from there.
And then this is on a Ram chassis.
This is on a Ram ProMaster chassis.
So it's front-wheel drive.
Front-wheel drive, V6 gas engine. It has a 36-foot turning radius. Super short for this size.
And the total size from bumper to bumper?
17 feet 10 inches long. Yeah.
I love that. Fantastic. So easy to fit in a parking space.
Yeah, give you some context. A Honda Odyssey is 17 feet long, so 10 inches shorter. Very spacious. The unique characteristics of these motorhomes are its small stature and voluminous interior space. So it sits at 17 feet 10 inches long. Has a fiberglass monocoque shell, and lots of advantages to the monocoque shell. Again, being able to reinvent the floor plan opposed to a cargo van where you're limited on space. The ability to put this drop-down bed in here, creating a significant more amount of space. You'll notice a large kitchen block, again compared to most motorhomes in this size. You can sleep too comfortably up top. This drop-down bed into room for at least one adult and two children. So super easy. There's no locking latches.
Okay.
It's all done by a patented spring-loaded.
Okay. Look at that.
And so, yeah, once it's down, it's once you're on it, it's very, very firm. You don't get much side to side. You'll get the van before you get to side
What's
to
the
side.
total weight that this can hold?
750 pounds.
750
350 kilograms.
So,
what size is it?
So it's 77 inches long. I'm 6'1" and I fit on it just fine. And then it's 52 inches wide.
Like just a full size bed, basically.
It's gonna be like a full queen. So queen 60, right?
Okay.
And this is 52 to give you some.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
nice.
And then you can access these upper cupboards, both when the bed's up and down. The Firefly screens to control all the lighting, both on either side of there, and then the main control panel there. Skylights that both open, blackout bug screens.
Cool. Now I'm looking at fans. So if we put this back up, do we have a max air fan, or how do we do it? We just...
They actually don't have fan.
Okay. No fans.
Just lots of ventilation. So same thing in the bathroom here. And then of course you've got your awning windows that open.
So we've got lots of ways to open
ventilation
windows.
should not be an issue.
So we've got lots of windows here, guys. I'm going to come all the way up to the front. I'm going to show you guys what this looks like. So look at this kitchen, which is amazing. Huge.
And some of the options that you'll get here is inset microwave. Could do the microwave on top here, and then TV would be placed
back there. And then you also have, you can see back here. Open up the bathroom. Yeah, I was going to say, let's take a look at the bathroom. Is it a, ooh, look at that. I'm loving the bathroom already.
Yeah, it's sweet.
It's a wet shower.
Wet bath.
It's a wet bath.
Wet bath.
Yep.
Look at this. But it looks so nice.
Getting a dry bath under 22
I consider a double bed.
feet is
Really
really
hard.
I consider a double bed.
Yeah, it's 52 inches wide, 77 inches long. So yeah, kind
Not
of.
exact a queen.
Yeah, so 8 inches shorter than a queen.
I can take a shower in this. What do you think? Woohoo! Okay, friends, they have a real wardrobe, and look how tall it is. You could hang so much stuff in this, and it wouldn't hit the ground. Love that.